Before determinant becomes a row reduction punishment device, it tries to measure one simple thing. For a two-dimensional linear map, determinant measures the signed area multiplier. The visual examples in this video use square matrices over the real numbers. Because pictures need geometry. Shocking. I know. But the algebraic definition of determinant itself does not require real numbers. It works over any field. A matrix sends the standard basis vectors to its columns. So the unit square gets sent to the parallelogram spanned by V1 and V2. The determinant records the signed area multiplier of that image, compared with the original square whose area is 1. First, stretch horizontally by a factor of 2. The square becomes a rectangle with twice the area. So the determinant is 2. Not because a formula said so, but because area doubled. Radical behavior from a number. If we multiply the horizontal direction by -1, the area size stays 1, but orientation flips. That is why the determinant is -1, not just 1. The sign remembers orientation, because apparently even area has trust issues. A shear slants the square into a parallelogram. The base stays 1 and the height stays 1. The area does not change. So the determinant is 1. The shape looks more dramatic, but mathematically it just moved furniture around. Swapping the two coordinates keeps the area size the same, but reverses orientation. So the determinant is -1. Same area, opposite orientation. The matrix did not shrink the plane. It betrayed its handedness. Now let D mean signed area. It is linear in each input, and it becomes 0 when the two inputs are the same direction. The standard ordered pair E1, E2 has signed area 1. Reversing the order gives -1. Using linearity, 4 terms appear. The repeated direction terms vanish. The E1, E2 term gives AD, and the reversed term gives -BC. That is why the determinant of the 2 by 2 matrix is AD minus BC. So determinant is not born as a computational ritual. It starts as signed area scaling. Next time, we turn this intuition into rules. Because unfortunately, rigor still insists on paying rent.